Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I am going to show you how you can implement tween animation in Flutter. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So before moving on to the project, let's see what we are going to build. So here is my mobile app. So let me show you how tween animation looks like. So here we go. So here is our tween animation in this star icon. So let's build this. Okay, let me show you this animation again. Here we have bounce out effect, and the size of this star is increasing slowly, and this text is appeared only when that animation finished. Okay, so let's implement this. Let me make a new Flutter project in D drive inside this Flutter projects folder, and let me open command prompt in the current directory, and let's make a project named Tween Animation. Tween Animation Tech 101. Okay. Now our project is created successfully. Let's change directory to our project. Okay, let me open Visual Studio Code in current directory, that is in our project directory. Let me maximize the window and let me run this app on my mobile device. So let me get rid from this default my home page. Okay, I will make a separate class. Okay, inside lib I will make a folder named screens, and here I will make a file named home screen. Okay, this is our home screen as of now, and let me make a status widget here. So before that, let me import material package. Okay, actually it's going to be a stateful widget, and let's give a name home page, and let's give the reference here in the home of material app home page. So here we have here in the console. Let's ignore that as of now. So let me stop this and rerun the app again. So here let's return a scaffold, and let me give another background color other than white. Okay, so here we go, color. Okay, let me enter the color code 082A. Now inside body we have column widget, in the children I will make one icon, icons dot star, and text tween animation. Okay, here we have error, one positional argument expected but 0 found. Okay, here we have problem because our Visual Studio Code is not started properly, or it's still starting. So let's wait. Actually it is not identifying this whole code. Okay, I mean it is not updating as the code is updated. Okay, finally our new app is up and running in our device, but our icon and text is not visible. Okay, let me change the color of this icon. Okay, let's see. Okay, they are in the top. Okay, let me center all these. Okay, let's wrap this so it's center. Okay, now they are in the center of the cross axis. Okay, now I have to change the main axis element value. Okay, main axis element dot center. Okay, now they are in the center. Okay, and the text is also not visible and size is also too small. Okay, let me increase the size to 40. And let's give some style to this text. Actually we have to give text style. Okay, and in the color property we can give colors dot white. Okay, now we have a star icon, and below that icon we have our text Tween Animation. Okay, let me increase the font size. And let me make this bold. Actually font weight dot bold. Okay, now the text is a little bit bigger and clear. Now to implement a Tween Animation we have to use a new widget named Tween Animation Builder. Okay, so let's write a code for Tween Animation Builder. Tween Animation Builder, and it takes following parameters, namely tween duration builder. Okay, and okay, let's provide each of the parameters respective value. Okay, first of all let me introduce you to the duration. Okay, the duration property, in the duration property we have to specify the time for how long our Tween animation is going to run in the app. Okay, for now I'm going to set it to 2 seconds. Okay, to set duration we have to use the duration widget, and let's give parameter. Okay, inside this duration we can give duration in seconds. Okay, seconds, and here we can write simply 2. It stands for 2 seconds. And now inside this tween, okay, in this tween parameter, we have to provide tween widget of type object. Okay, like we are going to animate the size of this widget. Okay, now the object is going to be a double, so let's use this tween widget of type double, and we have to provide two values. Okay, as you can see by hovering over that tween widget, we need two values, that is begin and end. Okay, so the begin value is the value of animation or value of that icon, in our case before the animation is started, and value of that icon, okay, at the end of the animation. Okay, so in the begin, let's give icon size of 30. Okay, whereas it's 100 as of now. Okay, let's give a size of 30 in the starting of the animation, and in the end let's give a size of 100. Okay, let's come to this builder. Okay, this will take three parameters. Okay, build context, double, and widget. Okay, so and it's a function, so let me provide these required parameters. Okay, build context is actually build context. We are going to build this animation in the current context, and then we have to we have this value. Okay, this double value in this widget name, double size, and another we have widget child. Okay, widget child, or we can skip this. Okay, we can simply write child. Okay, now we have to return this, the actual code here, and let me add a comma. This icon. Okay, we are going to implement tween animation in this icon, so let me paste it over here and in this statement with semicolon. And now here I am going to give size to this size. Okay, actually this size is the value that we got from this tween. Okay, at the beginning this size variable was value of 30, and in the phase of this 2 seconds time, this 30 is slowly changed to 100 in 2 seconds. Okay, for now let me set the size to size. Okay, you can name this variable anything. Okay, or for the sake of understanding, I can name this like icon size. Okay, in our case, and now I can keep like this. Okay, so let me restart the app and let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see here, the icon is working as expected. Okay, now let's work on this text. Okay, in our demo animation, I have this text is not visible at the beginning. Okay, so we can achieve that using a widget named animated opacity. Okay, for in the beginning we can set the opacity value to 0, and once this animation is completed we can change the opacity value to 1. Okay, so here let me wrap this widget with, or let me get rid from this widget, or I can modify this. Okay, you can do whatever you like, or I will like the whole code here. Okay, The name of widget is animated opacity. Okay, animated opacity, and let's make a new variable to carry the value of opacity. Okay, here, and the value of opacity lies between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 means completely invisible and 1 means completely visible. The value doesn't exceed from 1, so it's a double. So let me double opacity value. Okay, let's make it invisible in the beginning. So opacity is opacity value, and here also we have to specify the duration. Okay, for how many seconds or how many milliseconds it will take time to animate. Okay, so let's go with 2 seconds. And in the child property we can give text. Okay, or I can simply copy this. From here to here. Let me paste it. I think I have missed one bracket or one. Okay, this text is closed here. This animated opacity is not closed. Okay, let me close this, and we have no error. So let me add a const keyword here, as our text is constant. So if I save this, our text is gone because we have set the opacity value to 0 in the beginning. Okay, and in this widget Tween Animation Builder we have another parameter named onEnd. Okay, this will be called once the Tween animation is finished. Okay, so inside here, okay, and let me change the color of this star icon once it is completed. Okay, so for that let me make a new variable. Okay, for color and icon color is equals to colors dot indigo at the beginning. Okay, so if I save this, okay, let me restart first. Okay, okay, it is not working because I haven't assigned this value here. Okay, icon color. Let me restart again. Now it is indigo in color, and the text is also not visible. Okay, once the animation is finished, in this onEnd parameter it takes a function. Okay, void function, and here we can call setState. Okay, so that's why we have make this widget stateful widget. Okay, we have to call setState, and we can set opacity value to 1, opacity value to 1, and value of icon color to red, as in our example. Okay, opacity value is equals. Okay, what is the name? Still opacity value. Okay, opacity value is equals to 1, and icon color is equals to colors dot red. Okay, not white. And let me restart the app again. I think it must work. is we have expected. Now the size changed and the color is also changed, and the text is disappeared at the beginning and now it is visible. I think we have received similar to the example that I have shown in the beginning of the video. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.